Hello, welcome to this video series on Pandas. We'll be exploring the Pandas documentation just as we've been exploring the Python documentation. And so this is going to be another journey, and I hope you'll stick with me and let's learn Pandas together. So essentially, what is Pandas? Pandas is a powerful and versatile data manipulation library for Python. And so whether you're a beginner or you're an experienced programmer, Pandas is going to be an essential tool for you for data analysis and manipulation. In this video series, we'll look at various things that Pandas can do. We'll see how it can help manage and analyze data efficiently. And it will interest you to know that Pandas is built on top of the NumPy library. And NumPy is used for scientific and numeric calculations. And that's where you see that you get that word NumPy. Pandas provide two primary data structures. One of these data structures is series and the other is DataFrame. And when you think of a series, you think of a one-dimensional array-like object. If some of these terminologies are new to you, just let me know in the comment section because I don't think we've talked about some of them. But when you think of an array, you think of having a kind of data structure where you store your data in contiguous memory location. And we'll talk about this in subsequent videos. But for now, just know that a series is a one-dimensional array-like object that can hold a variety of data types. So you think of data types, you're thinking of something like integers, floats, strings, and more. On the other hand, the data frame that we have here is a two-dimensional table-like data structure. And when you think of the data frame, just think of a spreadsheet. You think of a SQL table. It consists of rows and columns, and each column can hold different types of data. In other words, different data types. The name Pandas itself is derived from the term panel data. And panel data, it's an econometrics term for data sets that include observations over multiple time periods for the same individuals. And so Pandas is designed to handle a wide range of data formats. And so this makes it the go-to library for tasks like data cleaning, data preparation, and data analysis. And one of the key strengths of Pandas is its ability to handle missing data gracefully. And it provides a variety of functions to detect, to replace, to remove missing values. And this just makes it certain that you have data that is ready for analysis. Another thing that you see that Pandas does is that it offers powerful group by functionality. And this functionality allows you to split your data into different groups. It allows you to apply transformations. You can apply transformations. You can do aggregations. You can combine the results together. Another significant advantage of Pandas is that it has this seamless integration with other data analysis libraries in the Python ecosystem. And when you're thinking of those kind of libraries, you think of Matplotlib, which is used for visualization, or you think of scikit-learn, which is used basically for machine learning. And this interoperability makes it easy to create end-to-end data analysis pipelines. And so in this video series, we'll be looking at the documentation. We'll be exploring the Pandas documentation and see what we can learn from it. We'll start by looking at what types of data does Pandas handle. And so there's more for us to learn. We'll cover things like filtering, sorting, merging data frames, and so on and so forth. There's just so much for us to cover. The goal is that by the end of this series, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use Pandas to streamline your own data analysis workflow and to make data event-driven decisions more confidently. And so let's dive into this world of Pandas together, and let's unlock the full potential of what your data holds for you. So that's all I have for you today. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.